name is Gogo Begonia from Patagonia. Long story to that. Tell us about your hair. I've got this, my hair. It's this synthesis that's been going on for a couple of years. And, well, I better turn around. It's completely dread back here. It's all stuck together. And all the, and these two dreads are from a few years ago that I left. Whereas these ones are new, and I got extensions put on in Africa 3 different times, and the ones that managed to stay on and not fall out fused together, and so that's how it's become. And then I just stuck all these things in it, or when I got it made, I got the girl to braid in certain things. So there's all kinds of things, cowrie shells, and wait whistle. So we've got here Pop Eye, and here's again Pop, soda pop magnets. Pop being used as an example of pop culture, but also pop itself comes up everywhere, like Coca-Cola, you know, ubiquitous. The whole world has their own version of Coke. Okay, and here's some showing the way popular culture has come through in the advertising field. You've got some of the biggest pop stars. Baba Mal, he's from Senegal. Mary, here we've got Salif Keita, who's from Mali. And some Soukous, which is from Zaire, Kinshasa, the bedrock of popular culture in Africa. And Marlboro is a big Marlboro myth in Mali. If you don't smoke, they're surprised because they'll say, not even Marlboros? And, you know, Marlboro watch. Telephone, this is my telephone shrine. People come from the village and enter city limits, and they want to show back home in their homelands or in their village that they've reached success and they've attained, you know, whatever they set out to get. They'll show status symbols and such as telephones. So you see the same phone is used as a prop in all 3 pictures. This is all holographs and winky dinks and shiny things. Okay, this whole recycling thing, the consumer disposable society that we live in, we're not used to plastic still. Not used to throwing away plastic things. I mean, to keep plastic things. So we've got here hats made out of plastic bags because they don't throw anything out. We've got another hat. Well, another hat made out of plastic bags. Lion Lager Crush, orange crush, or lime crush, looks like. And another African one, Castle Lager. These are metal, they're Zulu punk. They're made by this old man, and it's just crushed metal. He's a silversmith. It's a bracelet. It's, I would think, pretty punky. This is made out of telephone wire. There's a bracelet there, and here's a basket made out of telephone wire. It's absolutely well crafted. Marshall McLuhan's idea of art going from the ivory tower to the control tower, and fine pop art borrowing from commercialization and mass media, and industry also vice versa borrowing from pop art. So there's the age of electronicus. I've got this fan fabric and my fan belt, and there's a fan. Now this is the TV part, and that's why Disposable Heroes of Hypocrisy have such a great name, because, you know, disposable and hypocrisy, and television is the drug of the nation.
We just popped in to say goodbye, but not before you tell that Go-Go story. Oh, you know that Go-Go story? The first time I met Go-Go, yeah, it was at the Johnny Cash concert at the Ontario Post Forum. She was sitting in front of me, so her hair was all over my knees. So I was looking at Johnny Cash and I'm going, oh, look, an ice cream cone and a cow. Very interesting hair. And that's all the time we have for this week's show. But next week, remember that promise that you made? Oh, yeah, the YouTube special? Next week. Here's a look. Bye-bye. See you next week.
a career now in the music